Here's how to use Grok image generator. So the first thing that you're going to do is to go ahead and sign up or create an account with the Grok and make sure that you're going to use the right email. You can go ahead and sign up with Apple, or you can also sign up with X. Afterwards, you'll be redirected on this page. So the first thing that you're going to do a generate of image is that you can go ahead and click on the create image options that you will see on the main dashboard. However, there are many other steps for you to be able to use when you're going to generate some steps. So this is just the first one, the create image. Or you can just go ahead and put some prompts on the prompts test. So let's say, for example, draw Isaac Newton with an apple falling from his hand. So that is the prompt, and click on the send button, and then the Grok will go ahead and generate you an image depending on the prompt that you told. So that is how to generate image on the Grok website or application.